you're a beginner looking to venture in the world of digital products, you're in the right place. Digital products offer an incredible opportunity for creators to share their work, their knowledge, and skills while generating passive income. I know that word is a little scary. People throw it around a lot, but trust me, digital products can in fact be extremely passive, just as it could be lucrative. Check this out. You don't want to miss this. We're going to explore some of the best digital products for beginners to get started. But before we jump into that, I'm Belle. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here and you haven't already, be sure to subscribe to the channel below. And don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up for me to let YouTube know that you like what it is that I'm doing here. And plus, it encouraged me to keep going because, you know, it can be hard putting these videos together. They take a lot of time. So it's really encouraging to read you guys' notes and see the likes and that you guys find value in what it is that I'm doing. So yes, please. Definitely leave a note below and tell me what you like about this channel and what you want to see more of. Okay, right into it we go. Number one, ebooks. Ebooks are a fantastic entry point into the world of digital products. If you have expertise in any particular field, it really doesn't matter what your skills or knowledge or expertise lie in. Ebooks is a place where you can make passive income and lucrative income at that. You can write an ebook on any topic known to man. Self-help, personal development, fiction, nonfiction, whatever you name it, you can write an ebook on. And best part, you can use AI to assist you in writing an ebook. You can use ChatGPT to assist you with writing an ebook, so you don't have to write the whole thing yourself. Get really good feedback or just get a starting place with ChatGPT. And then you're probably thinking, okay, where do I put my ebook up so people can then buy it? You can put your ebook up on various different platforms. You can host your ebook yourself. You can sell it on Etsy. You can sell them on Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing, KDP. KDP makes it really easy to self-publish your ebook and to reach a wider audience, obviously, because without traffic, there's no money. But the best part about ebooks that I absolutely love, if you created that one time, all your effort, however long it took you to make, and after that, it's pretty much self-sufficient. So very little you need to do afterwards. Number two, online courses. Online courses are highly sought after. They provide an excellent opportunity to share your knowledge, your skills with others. You can create a video-based or text-based courses, and you can host them on platforms like Udemy, Teachable, ThinkFreak, and much more. Choosing a topic that you're passionate about or you have an expertise in is always recommended because you don't want to teach something you don't know, obviously, right? And create a structured curriculum to guide your students through learning that process. And best part, you don't need to be like 10 years expertise in this. You just need to be a few steps ahead of the person behind you. You feel me? Be that person that you probably need when you were going through whatever. Like, for example, if you were planning your wedding and you've had a hard time because everything was so expensive, so you DIY a lot of your things, you can write an ebook on how brides can DIY their wedding, etc., etc. So there's many different ways you can go about it. Just pick a topic that you're passionate about or you have some level of experience and knowledge in. Number three, digital templates and printables. I love them. I have purchased a ton of templates and printables digitally. There is a huge market cap out there for that. So yes, digital templates and printables are popular amongst individuals looking for ready to use resources. Whether it's a printable planner, social media templates, resume templates, or business card designs, creating and selling digital templates can be a profitable venture. Platforms like Etsy and Creative Markets are a great place to showcase and sell your templates. And another place that a lot of people probably don't think of too much, but it's a really good spot that you can sell and be very profitable is TikTok. This content creator was just sharing how she's working on getting out of debt, working on budgeting, and she was showing how she does it with these cash envelopes. It turned into a 7-figure business. So now her business brings in $1 million+ from cash envelopes and different digital products. So digital templates and printables, don't sleep on that. It can be extremely profitable. People are looking for ready-made resources all the time, and you do not have to be a crazy, oh yeah, 16 years of expertise person. No, not at all. So number 4, stock photos and graphics. If you have a knack for taking pictures or graphic design, consider creating and selling stock photos or graphics. Many businesses and content creators are in constant need of high quality visuals for their websites, social media, and marketing materials. I used to blog pretty heavily back in the day. I don't as much anymore, but I am planning on getting back into blogging because it was enjoyable. I always look for high quality stock photos, and I have paid for packages. I have paid for a membership. So if you have a knack for taking pictures of stock photos and graphics, I'm telling you, there's a huge market cap there for you because content creation isn't going anywhere. Gig economy isn't going anywhere, and people are looking for high quality stock photos that not every single person has on their websites or social media pages. So websites like Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, and Etsy allow you to showcase and sell your digital assets to a wide range of buyers. And trust me when I tell you, the buyers will come for these stock photos. They will, because folks are always in the market of looking for good stock photos for their business. Number 5, audio and music tracks. If you have a talent for music production or audio engineering, creating and selling audio tracks can be a lucrative digital product. Musicians, content creators, and filmmakers often need background music or sound effects for their projects. Platforms like Audio Jungle, Pod5 offer a marketplace for selling your audio tracks and sound effects. So once again, the gig economy, social media, content creation, none of that is going anywhere. And when it comes to setting a mood of a movie or a video like this one or whatever you do, audio and music is always like the number one thing. So if you have a knack for audio engineering or creating music that way, please start selling some of that and putting it out there to the world, because you know, sometimes our fear of getting started, especially as beginners, it holds us back and we don't move along and stuff because we want everything to be perfect. And I completely understand, because I'm one of those people that, oh, I need this to start, I need this to start, I need to do this, I need to do that. So it's always something, but I highly recommend you get started because the money is there, guys. I'm telling you, there's a lot. Number 6, creating and selling mobile apps and games can be more advanced but a rewarding digital product. If you have programming skills or access to app developers, and nowadays because of AI, it's reducing the barrier of entry, so anyone with interest on creating your own mobile app or game can do this. You can create mobile apps or games that solve specific problems or entertain users. Platforms like Apple App Store, Google Play Store provide a global distribution channel for your digital creations. And trust me, people are buying. I think I saw not too long ago this Snapchat influencer who used AI to clone her voice and sold her voice as a chat box, and I think made like $7,000 or something like that in a week or a day or whatever. Like I said, as beginners, we tend to not want to get started because we're afraid and we think, okay, no one's gonna buy this, I don't know what I'm doing. But I'm telling you, get started anyway. I made this video for anyone who is thinking about starting a digital product but is afraid to do so because you think it needs to be perfect, you think it needs to have all the bells and whistles, and I'm telling you, it absolutely does not. You just need to get started. Whatever it is that you are interested in, get going today, not tomorrow. So there you have it. These are some of the best digital products for beginners to get started. Whether you choose to create an ebook, an online course, digital templates, whatever it is you choose to do, remember that consistency, quality, and market research are keys to success. Start with a digital product that aligns with your skills and your passion, and don't be afraid to experiment along the way as you learn more. Thank you so much for watching. Like I said, if you made it this far in this video and you haven't already subscribed to the channel, please do so right now. And don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up for me to let YouTube know that you like what it is that I'm doing here. Like I said earlier in the video, it's really encouraging when you guys leave notes and your thoughts of what you would like to see more of, and which of these digital products do you think you'll get started with today. Until next time, I'll see you in the next video.